Yo, what is going on, traders? This is Mabs. This is Mabs, guys. Welcome to my trading platform, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's just have a quick look at what's happening on the markets, real quick. Let's see what our system has in store for us. Let's just try to find some good trades, guys. I caught a monster of a trade yesterday, and I just want to see if I can't find anything else right quick. So I'm gonna go through the usual suspects. I'm gonna go through the US 30, G30, NAS 100, and we're gonna look at UK 100 and the SP 500, and then yeah, we're gonna see if there's anything else that's worth us looking into. So we're about 45 minutes into the US session. You know, the US session began like 45 minutes ago, and it seems like there's been a little bit of volatility, guys. So a lot of movements that are happening right now, and let's just see where we can just catch some few pips, catch some few dollars. You know what I mean? So let's just jump into this thing, guys. So right now, we're looking at the US 30. The US 30, it did go up, guys. Like if you just look at that wick right there, if you enter down here, remember now, if you entered down here, all right, you would have been in profit in this wick. All right, it almost hit TP1. Okay, so I say the next thing to do here, guys, uh, in particular, like specifically for this, let's just wait for like 15 minutes just to see what's gonna happen. You know, because sometimes I just wait for the you know the hour to lapse after the open. You know, just to get a clearer move, guys. You know, so that we don't get lost in the tracks, right? But anyways, so far it's looking good. If you're already in the trade, it's all good. It's all good. If you're already in the trade, you can just ride it to the top. All right, you can just ride it to the top. But I'm just gonna wait and see if we can't get a better entry on the US 30. But as it stands right now, I think I'm just gonna wait because I was away from my crib now. I just got back to the house and just opened up this thing just to check what's going on. So but I'm sure that we'll find some other trades. Let's see if we can't find any better trades on. Let's look at NAS 100, guys. NAS 100. Okay, NAS 100 right now. NAS 100 right now is looking like a stone cold buy. It's looking like a stone cold buy. You can see, guys, we're above the 100 period moving average right there. So this is a stone cold buy. This is a stone cold buy. Um, you can see that like when the market opened, there was this push to the upside. Okay, there was this push to the upside, and then it triggered the buy. All right, so this trade is currently active, currently valid. Okay, but since you and I, we just hopped up onto the chart. Okay, I don't like chasing trades. All right, so basically let's allow let's just sit on it. Let's just allow the market to develop, guys. Let's not be pressured. Like if you find yourself in a situation where you're pressured to take a trade and you everything seems like it's okay, sometimes it's not a good idea. It's always good to wait. Like what I like to do, guys, is when the market opens, I wait an hour. Like if there's a lot of volatility, I wait for an hour just for the volatility to die down, and then after that hour has lapsed, that's when I jump in because usually the moves are much more clearer after that. Okay, but as it stands right now, it looks like it's a buy. All right, but I'm not going to open up any trade right now. I'm going to wait for just a few minutes, just for it to confirm, guys. Let's just allow it to develop. It's not going to hurt anybody. And UK 100 looks like it took off and went into the moon, guys, from the morning. As you can see, it hit that buy entry. I think this was around the London Open right here. So then it's just been rising all day. All right, but anyways, let's move right along. All right, SP 500, guys. SP 500 on this broker, it's US 500, but here this is the SP 500. Right, quick, let me just type it in for you guys. Let me just type it in for you guys. This is the SP 500, guys. US 500 is the SP. So some brokers call it SPX 500. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. This looks like a buy. This looks like a buy right quick. I think I'm gonna jump into this buy. I hardly ever trade the SP 500 because the leverage is quite weird. It moves like NAS 100 and US 30, but sometimes like you have to open up a lot more trades for like to get like um a sizable profit. So I always prefer to like jump in with the Nas 100. But like if there's nothing happening, might as well just jump in on this. you know yeah, but this is looking like a stone cold buy, guys. The TP is up there by Take Profit One. I'm just gonna speed through this. Okay, but let's just keep that Nas 100 trade in the back of our minds, because if it sets up the way I want it to set up, I don't think I'm gonna trade anything else. I think I'm just gonna jump on that Nas 100. Okay, so I'm just gonna highlight these levels so that they're very clear for everybody to see. The green line is the TP level. All right, the red line is the stop loss level, and then the blue line, that's where the entry price was. Okay, so yeah, we got about 10 minutes left till we can execute. 10 minutes till we can execute. But let's just have a look, guys. Okay, let's keep all of this in the back of our minds, guys. Let's keep it in the back of our minds. Okay. The reason why I don't want us to just rush in now is I don't want us to get caught if the market turns around, right? So let's just see what's going to happen in about 10 minutes, and then we're going to jump in and see what we can find, guys. Patience is a virtue in this trading thing. It's a virtue. It's a virtue. You need to be patient, especially if you want to be killing these markets on a daily basis. You really need to be patient. Okay. Which other one haven't I seen? Which other one haven't I seen? Let's just also have a look at the G30. It was ranging yesterday. Let's see if it's doing a little bit better today. Okay, so a couple of things happened. Okay, this was an Asian session. We were sleeping in this time, so we wouldn't have been caught in this move down here. And then okay, the market rose. So it actually this trade UK 100 and SP 500 started moving in the London session. It started moving in the London session. I wasn't trading earlier, so I didn't see this. So we'll just hop up on NAS 100 and things like that. You know what I mean? So yeah, let me just put SP 500. We might take this trade. I might just take this trade. Okay, I might just take this trade. But the leverage on it is annoying. It's really annoying. It's really annoying. You have to open up like very big lots, like especially micro lots. You have to open up very big. It's just very annoying. It just feels like it's a waste of time and effort. Okay. But anyways, while we wait for the green light, while we wait for the green light, um, let me just see. Nes 100 is looking good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. If it's like this, guys, at 4:30, I think I'm just gonna jump in. Yeah. If it's like this at 4:30, I think I'm gonna jump in. Right. But with a small risk, because yesterday I had a profitable trade. I had a profitable trade. I don't want to give back my money, dude. It sucks like when you just made money, and then the next thing you make the wrong decision and then you give that shit back. Oh my god, dude. I don't want that to happen. And Nas 100 sometimes can really turn you into a ghost, my man. It can really turn you into a ghost. So let's just wait 8 minutes, guys. 8 minutes. But if it's like that at 4:30, I think we don't need no more introductions. Okay. But let's just have a look at what else happened. Forex pairs, guys. USD JPY. I was actually watching this yesterday, and you can see that it triggered the sell. All right, and then it looks like it's going down to TP1. Right? It looks like it's going down to TP1. So if you're trading this, you can do some in-depth analysis to see if it's going to go down. I'm not going to trade the forex pairs today. I don't think I'm going to trade forex this week, but it's very interesting to watch. Okay. Here's an interesting setup right here. This is an interesting setup. This is an interesting setup, and I'll explain why. This is AUD USD Australian dollar to the US dollar, guys. All right, so this is what happened today. So now, early in the morning, we had a buy trigger, right? Price rose up, came back down to retest the buy entry. So, you know, I would take a chance and take this trade, but I'm not really interested in trading the forex real quick this week. I mean, but this looks like a good buy setup right now. It's looking like a good buy setup because I like the push up, pull back. That's a good place to enter. That's a very good place to enter. It's a very, very good place to enter, guys. Um, yeah. So, anyways, let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. I'm just trying to stall, guys, so that we can see what's gonna happen in the NAS 100. Yesterday, yesterday I was trading, and literally I opened up the trade, and in 10 minutes, I had made already double the account. All right, so that's what happened yesterday. So I had a pretty good trading day yesterday. I had a very good trading day. I wish I could have done more. Usually I do more, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Usually I do more. I do what I do. You know, and yeah, I just take it easy, bro. But I'm not pressured to trade. That's the thing. I'm not pressured to trade, and you shouldn't also be pressured to trade. You should trade at your pace. Don't let the market like play mind games with you. All right, don't let it play mind games with you. Just stick to whatever plan you're using. Okay, stick to whatever plan you're using, and then just stick to that. Like, stay true to the plan. Try to develop like a risk management plan so that when you make money, you don't give it back to the market. Okay, like, rather have a small loss after a big win. Don't have a devastating loss after a big win. Like, 1 minute you make money, and then the next minute you lose more money than you had to begin with. Okay, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. Okay, I'm just strolling around, guys. I'm just taking a tour in the markets right now, looking at the GBP JPY. There were some good setups, guys. Like from yesterday on GBP JPY, you know, some good setups. These are good setups. Yeah, these are good setups, guys. These were some good setups that were happening. Let's just keep going. Let's just keep going. You just need to pick a market and then just stick with it. I'm choosing to stick with the indices. It's been working for me for months and years, dude. So I'm gonna stick with that. Okay, I'm gonna stick with that. But I'm just doing it for you guys now, just to look at what's happening in the other charts. Okay. All right, USD CAD tanked from yesterday. It went down, and still going down. Looks like it's still going down. I'll do some analysis later. USD CHF tanking, 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 tanking. All right, went down from. It actually started going down from the Asian session, and then it's just been dropping all day. It's just been dropping all day. Okay, let's look at the Mac Daddy, the gold. Let's see. Oh, gold went straight up to the moon. you know, it went straight up to the moon, and yeah, yeah, guys. I don't know which other market I should look at right now, but I'm just gonna look at the GBP pairs before I go to the Nas 100, because the Nas 100 is looking hella good right now. So I just want to make sure that it's um not gonna kill us. All right, just want to make sure. You can never be too sure. Okay, let's see. All right, what's this thing? NZD-CAD. Okay, forex lovers. Okay, this is what I'm seeing right now. I know I'm gonna throw you guys a bone. So this is the uh New Zealand dollar to the Canadian dollar, right? So now you can see that the price pierced through the 100 period moving average. Okay. So remember what I said, guys, that above the 100 period moving average, you can start looking for buy trades. Okay. So now this is what I would do. Like, you see where the price is right now. If it rises and comes up to this price level here where the previous buy entry was, I'd actually open up a trade right there. I'd open up a trade right there where it says buy entry at that price level. I think it's oh 08. No, it's 0.87297. That's the entry price, right? And then the take profit, I'd place it here where it says 0.87481, and then I'd put the stop loss where it says 0.87114. So that's one of the trades that I'm seeing right now, which is catching my eye, And if Nasdaq don't do what it do, then I'll start looking at these other alternatives. Okay, but there are other indices, guys. Let's look at the other indices before I actually look at other things. Okay, let's look at this one. This one is the Um, I assume it's the French one, all right? Because it's FRA, so I think it's at France 40, something like that. You know, I don't really care about the names. I just care about the setups, and I care about making money from these setups. All right. So what's going on here? So yesterday there was a buy entry around this region right there. All right, the price shot all the way up to almost TP3. All right, almost hit TP3, and then where it is right now, we're still above the 100 period moving average. So we can also still expect or anticipate the market to rise, and we will buy if the market goes up to the buy entry, right? But anyways, you don't have to trade every single pair and every single trading opportunity that's there. Just pick a few, dude, and just stick to that. Stick to that, my dude. All right. Another favorite trading instrument of mine is silver. Right, this thing can move, guys. It can move. It can move. And you know what I'm noticing right now? Yesterday's setup, it it actually materialized today. Imagine that. Because yesterday we had levels, right? We had a buy level right there, we had a sell level there. It didn't trigger any of them, right? And you can see that at this level, if I just move it to the right, you see had you had like a buy stop or something, it probably would have been triggered, and one of the trades would have been closed in profit right there, because you can see that the market just rose and hit those levels. Okay, so other things to look at. Okay, so it's 4:30, guys. We need to make a decision. We need to make a decision. We need to make a decision. We need to make a serious decision right now. I think that going back to the I think I'm going to take a buy on this. I think I'm going to take a buy on NAS 100. I'm going to take a buy on NAS 100 right now. I'm taking a buy right now. I'm going to go in with two. I'm going to go in. I'm going to open up a micro lots. Like maybe I'm going to use two lots. Lot size two on a micro lots. Okay, and see how that goes. And see how that goes. Cause if it turns back, it's not gonna hurt. But if it goes up, I can still add some more positions. All right. So you see where it is right now. This is NAS 100, guys. We're above the 100 period moving average, right? This is my rationale. Okay, we're above the 100 period moving average. The buy entry was actually triggered. The price went up, came back down to retest. It pulled back a little bit. I think that we might go up. Okay, so I'm thinking of putting like a few trades on this. So let me just see. We'll just see how it goes later. So I think I'm gonna open up some trades on this because I did make some profit yesterday. So I'll use some of that profit to actually take the drawdown. Okay, and then if it continues to go up, then I'll compound it. All right. So I think I'm just gonna add a few more positions just to see what's going on, guys. All right, yeah. So I'm in the NAS 100 trade right now. I'm in the NAS 100 trade. I just opened it on my other account on my mobile phone. So I'm gonna take like some screenshots on the gram, and then we'll just see what the result is later, guys. But anyways, I'm in this NAS 100 trade. The stop loss is at this level here. If it goes beneath this level, then it's a wrong trade. We made the wrong decision. So 14977.0 is the stop loss. Okay, and then the first take profit. All right, the first take profit is at, let me just put the levels for you guys so you can see what exactly we can expect to do. All right, the first take profit is at, okay, wait, let me just finish this. Okay, the first take profit is at 15120.6. The second one is 15166.8. Had a Jacob Zuma moment right there, dude. All right, and then the third one is 15210.1. Okay, those are the three take profits that I'm looking at right now. So I'm gonna watch this closely. I've got about 5 trades running on these guys. So let's just see how it goes. So yeah, shaking a little bit, dude. Shaking a little. Sometimes you open up the trades. Okay, look, SP 500 is looking good as well. Okay, we might be a little bit late on the entry, but those are the parameters right there. The stop loss is the red line. The take profit one is the green line. Okay, so I'm just gonna see, guys, what's gonna happen, and that's the trade that I'm choosing to take right now. Yeah, guys, so if you want to know more, like if you're interested also, if you don't have this trading system, and you want to get this trading system, just reach out to me, send me an email or drop me a text on Telegram or Instagram, and then we can see how we can hook you guys up. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna end the stream right now and probably gonna stream a little bit later. Thanks for watching, guys. Holla at you later.